I'm just playing. So, stay tuned. This video is a bit of just a watch and chill, but I'm just gonna be working on a computer just to see if I can make it post and turn on and get it working, and that'll be mission accomplished. So, stay tuned. Okay, so here we go. This is the computer setup. I'm just going to be working on the fan, making sure it's secure. I got the monitor there so that way I can make sure it works and everything's powered on correctly. Okay, so I'm just making sure I'm very careful. Don't want to break anything because I didn't pay for anything. I'm just playing. But yeah, seriously. So I'm just going to try to take it off carefully. Just to inspect it, make sure it's sitting there snug. The key is to make sure that, you know, the screws are properly fastened. But in this particular case, I have to make sure that it's not too tight because it's a very cramped case and I don't want to break the motherboard. So I'm just going to take my time. Yeah. Got my handy dandy screwdriver I got from Amazon. Yeah. Yeah, I can definitely say I wouldn't have known I'd be doing this and have the opportunity to learn about the wonders of mechanics and compartments and contraptions. Pretty cool. Okay, I try to be organized, as you can tell, you know. I try my best to be organized because if I'm not organized, I'll just get so overblown. Okay, so I got my monitor. What I'm going to do now is make sure everything is connected properly, get all the cables unwinded from the monitor so that I can connect the computer to the monitor to test my work. Hey everybody! Do you want to skip past this part a little bit more? Okay, you do. Shall we skip a little bit faster? Okay. Yes. Okay, so I'm hype. You wanna know why I'm hype? Yeah. So far it worked. Have all the right cables connected. Everything's plugged in. Nothing is exploding yet. Yes. Hey y'all, so I just want to thank you for checking this video out. I'm glad it's working. So that's good. Yeah, so basically that was it for today, but thank you so much for watching this, you know. I'm still learning about computers. I'm still learning little by little, so practice makes perfect, right? It would mean a lot as well if you share this video, if you comment, or if they're fun, or if they're interesting, or if you have any questions about what I did, maybe that I had missed and not explaining. But you can definitely follow me, like I always say, on Instagram and Twitter. All that information will be in the description box below. You have a great day, stay safe, follow the law, and take it easy, man. You know why? Because I'm out of here. Yeah.